Hey guys, what's up? Kyle from Cause 3D. Just don't do very many unboxing videos, but today I thought we'd do a special one because back in April of 2019, I ordered the Boba Fett Anovos at the time, the Anovos Boba Fett Jango Fett kit, and it's been 4 years and 4 months, 52 months, and guess what? I got a confirmation email last week, and there it is. We've got it. So I'm gonna open it up, take a look at this thing, and we'll see what we're working with here. All right, so here we go. Let's see what we're working with here. Crack this baby open. So I ordered this when I was in Chicago at Celebration. And it's been put off and put off and put off, obviously, for a very long time. We get a nice little card here, officially licensed. This is a scan off the kit used in Return of the Jedi, I believe. So everything is nice and individually wrapped. So let's just move all the parts over here. Resin cast. Ooh, we got some weight here. Oh, look at that. Nice big kit. Woo. Good and heavy. That's gonna take a toll on the old back. Well, the packing's pretty good. I did notice on the box it did say it was made in China. So I don't know what they're outsourcing these or not. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, we got the door already coming off here. Bunch of parts that fell out of the back already. Well, we've already got a crack in the inside. Repairable. Oh, it comes with your straps and everything. I'll be honest with you, I really did not look that closely online because I never thought I would receive this. Got your metal brackets for the back, some strapping, hardware bag. Thruster. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're really winning on this one. Looks like we're gonna have a ton of repair to do. I've got a solid one there. Those are almost, man, those are solid cast. Those are gonna be heavy. Okay, more parts. Adjuster. That must be the, okay, that's the Jango pieces there. Well, I'm gonna crack open the rest of these pieces and see what we've got, and then we'll give you a shot of everything it's coming with here. And go from there. So let me get all these parts open. So I got it all unboxed. I mean, there's a couple of broken pieces, one broken piece on the thruster. I'm not overly shocked. Everything is, you know, it fits in there. Parts fit in there pretty well. There'd be some trimming and some adjusting. Everything's kind of keyed so that you know, it's not bad. The Django pieces, plastic, not overly impressive. A little disappointed in the rocket fins. Those are plastic. Those have been laser cut, it looks like. We did look. This does go through the rocket, and it actually will raise and lower the grappling hook fins. That's kind of cool. You know, like I said, you've got the difference of the Django kit or the Boba kit. Obviously, you're gonna have to choose one or the other. I don't believe it's interchangeable at all. I mean, everything's okay for you know, for a 52-month wait. I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air right now. That's for the Django guard. May have that upside down. I don't know. I will say this. I can tell you that weight is absolutely unbelievable. So just the body, hollow, all that. Try to balance it on here. Just the body itself, you're looking at it. You're 0.5 ounces away from 6 pounds. Just the body. It's going to be heavy. They are. I know they are. Especially when you get resin cast and fiberglass and all that. The rocket base. That's right at a pound. Right there. They could have probably shaved some weight down on this overall. But, I mean, it's something to work with. I'm anxious to paint it, no doubt about it. Piano keys. Oh, they fit right in, surprisingly. I figured you'd have to do quite a little bit of sanding. Although I will admit, I don't necessarily like the way they sit in there compared to the one on screen. Pretty thick guys here. Oh, they even labeled them left and right for you. But anyway, final thoughts. It's going to be heavy. No doubt about that. I am impressed that the mounting brackets are aluminum. That impresses me. Strapping too, if you want to go with a strap system instead. Visually, I think visually it is very, obviously it's a scan of the screen used one, so it should be spot on, but it's chunky. I like it. I definitely like it. Looks like maybe the holes in the bottom, I'd have to double check and see where those sit exactly, but it looks like maybe those are for the Jedi version. Of course, in here you've got your ESB version. They do have the holes drilled out on the top here for the beacon and the adjuster. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Is it worth the... When I ordered it, I think it was $350 back when I ordered it 5 years ago. I got $50 off, paid $300 for it. It's worth $300. Now, I believe if you go on and pre-order it for this rough kit, it's $600, I believe. And I think it's $900 for an assembled rough kit ready for paint. But yeah, I mean, I'm thrilled to have it. I've been waiting forever. So I don't know, leave a comment in the comment section. See what you guys think. Especially for any of you that are going to order it or have ordered it and are still waiting on your kit to come in. So let us know, and check out our Etsy store at Cause3D on Etsy, and have a good one. All right, so we've reset the scale here, not to count for the weight of the box. Got all the Boba parts in. In fairness, I do have the hardware bag that came with it, so you may not end up using all those screws if you do there may be some in there for the Django build only, but let's get a final weight on this bad boy. Like I said, I've already subtracted the weight of the box. You are looking at 10 pounds, 3.1 ounces. So make sure you work out those back muscles before you wear them. I'm gonna admit, it's not as bad as the 14-pound one that I remember when I was in much better shape when I had one. But anyway, there you have it.